Just a basic wedge with a plank sticking out one end and one on the other, and renters and old skis. In fact, some of you that were farmers in your day might say, oh, we used to have things like that. We call them stone boats. We hauled stones out of the field, and in the winter, like as not, you cleaned out the barns on them too. At least I did as a kid. Well, basic they may be, but the whole point is, does it work? And so in a few minutes here, let's throw the cap away and put a helmet on and see what she does on ice. Now, I'd wager to say, in fact, that in history, stones and cow dung never flew this fast before.